Really great honor to be here. Thank you for having me. I'm really excited to talk about actually one of my favorite parasites. When they said, what do you want to do for the conference? And I was like, ooh, Giardia, that's great. So I'll try to control my enthusiasm. I know you guys just had a big lunch, so hopefully I can give you some of my zest. So without further ado, we got a lot to cover, so let's take a look at Giardia for shelter staff and veterinarians. So first of all, think in your mind, when I say the word Giardia, what do you think of? What is the clinical picture? What do you think, for humans or animals? And, sorry? Oh, yes. I'm like, diarrhea, absolutely. So, but of course there's more to it than just the clinical picture. What is Giardia in a grander scheme? So think about that, and I'm going to ask you the question again in 20 minutes, and hopefully we will have clarified some issues. So Giardia is a protozoal parasite that lives in the small intestine. And you can see here a little teardrop-shaped protozoa on the slide. And as you guys already know, or may you know, diarrhea, that's what we think of. So gastrointestinal disease in dogs, cats, and humans. So this is a zoonotic disease which affects humans and other animals. And I just Googled Giardia outbreak, and look, I got one really close to here really recently. So it's an important zoonotic disease that affects humans, and you're going to see it in the news. But of course, in the shelter setting, we're thinking more about cats and dogs, and unfortunately, it is a very difficult disease to diagnose and to treat in that setting. So we have two varieties of Giardia, which we're going to think about. We're going to think about the adults. So these are the protozoa which are in the small intestine. They're the ones who are causing disease, and one of the reasons why they're my favorite is because I think they look like little smiley faces. I don't know. So, I mean, I'm not great with all the other eggs, but if I see a Giardia, I know what it is. It's smiling right back at me. So the other form of Giardia we think about is the cyst. So these are quote-unquote eggs, which are in the environment, and these are what are infecting the other animals in the shelter. And coincidentally, I kind of also think they look like little smiley faces. I don't know if anyone else sees that.